We'll guide you through how to fix Google Maps orientation. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Maps, and so you're facing orientation problems and maybe rotation problems. We're going to guide you through some different things you can do to go and fix this, so make sure it's this full guide, as there are different things we're facing and we're covering different fixes. So let's go and dive straight into this. So if you're finding that your Google Maps has gone and rotated a bit and you want to go and get it back to how it first started, go to the top right and you'll find that compass icon with the two arrows, and you want to go and tap on it, and that'll then go and put it back to north. Hopefully that solves the problem. Now, if you're finding this problem's happening while you're going and using directions, close out of the directions and get back to this screen here. Then press your profile icon in the top right. Go down, find the option for settings, and then you need to go and find navigation. Go and scroll all the way down, and you need to go and find keep map north up, and you can try turning that off like so. Now, hopefully when you go and start using directions, it'll be solved.